Hi, very good afternoon. Alicia Khanna, Khanna Associates, South Delhi Properties, here to present you a fantastic, superb option, commercial, 250 square feet starting range, a commercial shop जो आपको मिल रही है मात्र 50 लाख में. So 50 lakh rupees, commercial shop, golf course extension road, very near to Ontaria and Paras Group Housing. Fantastic road, excellent location, more than a lot of area has already been delivered by the builder. We are almost at 70% completion. The brands behind me are already a part of this project which have already been sanctioned. So apart from this, a lot of security in terms of your papers, RERA approved. In the end, definitely a registry, a sale deed material that you're getting. Starting point 50 lakhs और आपको मिलेगा हर month 50,000 का return by the builder. The most available and the hot selling ground floor is the availability जो आज हम cover करने आए हैं through my channel. मैं आपको अंदर से भी project दिखाऊंगी, but before I go inside, I have to tell you this, that it is one of the most premium projects you can go for, as it is giving you an excellent return, an excellent superb location, and of course a commercial point of view is a win-win situation. We'll now take you inside actually what the project looks like and how it is. It is almost at the verge of completion, 6 to 9 months for possession, and you will definitely believe to see that it is one of the most tremendous and outstanding location wise as well as the construction wise project. And we are now taking you inside this property and we'll show you what the ground floor looks like. Before I take you inside the property and what the actual looks like on the ground floor, this is that road behind me which is covering the entire access from the golf course extension coming to the golf course main road of sector 62, taking you inside this beautiful commercial project. I'll now take you inside. Let's go. I've now come inside the project, what the actual project looks like. We'll start from the left and we'll show you a grand road which is yet to be developed and will soon be developed. This whole left side passage has been acknowledged and the ROI has already been signed by Starbucks. There are more familiar brands which are coming up in this project. In the half 70% of the ground floor has already been leased out to major brands. As I've already told you, the left side has been covered by Starbucks and the other side of this ground floor has been taken up by brands like US Polo, Arrow, VIP and much more major brands which are authenticated. Samsung is also one of them. So this is the entire ground floor passage we are now showing you. This is the entire passage which walks through the entire ground floor, and this what is the passage looks like. I will also show you the main door entry which will be circulated on the left. So this is going to be the main, will have the entry accessible from one side, and there's also the entry जहाँ से हम आपको अंदर लेके आए थे, which is towards the left side. So that will be another entry. This whole passage will be beautifully developed. As you can see, the roads and other places are yet to be maintained, but it's almost at a 70% completion. We are now going to show you what the structure of this group commercial as well as housing looks like. This is what the entire structure is. It is a golf course extension, accessible, sector 62, Gurugram, one of the most fantastic commercial locations to be. So this is what the actual ground floor is. We are now going to take you inside and give you the feel of what actually it is like. This is what the passage looks like where I'm now standing at. The glass work on the ground floor level will be completed within a month, and we are expecting the OC also to be there within the next 3 months. So it is absolute safe investment, as I'm repeating again and again, in order to make you understand that safety is the priority in this particular commercial 250 square feet shop onwards that you can book only at 50 lakhs. Why is it a double surety for all of you is that the ROA of the certain brands that I've just highlighted, Starbucks, Samsung, VIP, US Polo, Assassination, you know these brands will not get into a project or sign any lease on a project unless they have verified the builders, the owners, and of course done thorough inspection of the kind of construction that they are giving. So rest assured to all my viewers that we are doing an absolute safe investment. Lot of ways out in procuring this investment is possible. 50 lakhs starting point, 250 square feet a starting point range, and can go up to as much as bigger size that you require. So to conclude, I've just shown you a 250 square feet starting commercial shop booking in only and only 50 lakhs, golf course extension road, great connectivity, 2 minutes from Hong Kong Bazaar. Huda metro station is very, very nearby. So one of the most premium locations, a 60-meter wide road. I will also show you the exact road when I'm ending this video towards the last. And of course, if you go through us, you channelize this booking through Khanna Associates and South Delhi Properties and Alisha Khanna, we will get you a very, very good discount. We are also welcoming our associate brokers of South Delhi or any part of the Delhi to come and initiate a booking in this particular project, and we are going to offer you a fantastic slab in the commission, as well as on each booking we also commit through the particular seller that we may give you an iPhone 15 Pro Max as well, or you can even take that compensation in the way of cash. So anything that you like, prompt, immediately send us a DM, contact us on the number flashing below on your screen. This is Alisha Khanna, and I've just shown you what the project looks like, the safety, the security, and of course a monthly rental to aapka pehle din se shuru hi ho gaya. Why? Because they are offering you a 50,000 rupees per month coming back to you from the initial 50 lakhs amount that you deposit up till the date of possession. So possession is nearing 6 to 8 months. 6 to 8 months standing really, really nearby. We've already shown you what the structure looks like, 70% of completion. Any further more details or pricing or anything else for a visit, contact me on the number flashing below. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep giving a thumbs up, and I'll keep coming back with more such beautiful investment options for all of you.